Alright you guys, so I'm starting off with this rectangular piece of fabric, and you just want to make sure that from top to bottom it covers from about your neck to underneath your breast. And then from side to side you want to make sure that this measurement fits from underneath one armpit all the way to underneath the other armpit. So you also want to make sure that your fabric stretches horizontally because you want it to be a nice fit going around your body. So now I'm taking this smaller rectangular piece, and I did not measure this, but it's about the length of my hand. You just want to guesstimate. And then also I cut off a long strip. It's probably about 1.5 inches wide, and then it's about double the length of the shirt with a little bit extra. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get started on the hemming and the seams. So first I'm just going to fold over the bottom and sew a zigzag stitch, and then also fold over the top and sew a zigzag stitch. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take this little rectangle and I'm going to sew 3 stitches, one on each side and one down the middle. Then you want to fold over the side edges, and you want to leave about 1 inch. You want to fold it over about 1 inch, and then you just want to make sure to sew on that inner seam and not close to the folded edge. So after I did all of that, this is how it looks. And all I'm going to do is take this crochet hook that I use for my hair, and I'm going to stick it through one side, attach one end of that strap and pull it through. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other little funnel we made. Stick the crochet hook through, grab the other end of the strap, and then pull that up and through. Now you guys, when I tell you we're almost done, we're almost done. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull those strings all the way through. And then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to basically put the ends of the string down through those side funnels that we made. Now the string looks really short right now, but it is super stretchy, so do not worry. So I'm just doing the same thing, putting my crochet hook through, pulling it out, putting my crochet hook through, latching it on, and then pulling it out. So you guys, the top is literally done. You see I'm showing you here, it's super stretchy, so you don't have to worry. And basically your head is going to go through that little hole in the middle. And yeah, so now I'm just going to tie off the ends of the string so that it doesn't pull back through that little funnel on the side. And then all you have to do is put it on, girl, and you are done. So I'm just going to go ahead and try this on now. And you guys, it looks super cute, but I will say that for me, it was missing something. As you can see, the string is super stretchy, so it fits, girl, don't worry. But I'm just going to go ahead and take one more piece of string, and I'm going to put it down through those funnels so that I can have string hanging down. Now, I would suggest that you do this with the shirt off, but I was just too lazy, so just stuck that crochet hook through the bottom, pulled one end through, then do the same thing on the other side. And this is the exact same funnel, obviously, that the top neckline strings are pulled through. So I'm just adding another one going the opposite direction. And there you go. So you can leave it like this, hanging down, but I decided to go ahead and tie a little bow, and I think that it turned out super cute. So as you can see, also I do have on some matching shorts. So if you're interested in seeing a tutorial for that, definitely stay tuned. I'll have that up in a few days. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm super in love. It was so quick and easy, like literally a 5-minute project. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please turn on your post notifications, because if you don't, it's likely that YouTube will not notify you when I upload. So definitely turn on your post notifications. And yeah, as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.